Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Welcome all of the students to lecture number 24. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you and me, for everyone to understand and learn the Arabic language for Quran and Hadith, inshallah. May Allah make this all journey very easy for us, inshallah. May Allah give us istiqamah. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn sisters of Inna. So it means Inna has its sisters. We'll see why they are called sisters. So Madinah Arabic book 2, chapter number 3. Now, Miss Amna, please can you call student number 1?
Okay, sir. Aliya Bashir, please check your mic.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, sister. What does Inna do on Jumla Ismiya?
Inna is a harf nasb or harf tawqeed, and it makes the word which ism after it makes it mansoob.
Okay, very good. It makes mansoob mubtada or khabar?
It makes the mubtada mansoob, and that mubtada will be called as ismu inna, and the its khabar will be called as khabru inna.
Very
the
good.
khabar will remain mubtada.
Very good. So
Sorry, marfu.
khabar will be marfu. Okay, khabar will be marfu. So Inna is intensifying instrument. So it is called for harfu tawqeed or taqeed. It is used on nominal sentence, Jumlatul Ismiya, and it makes mubtada mansoob. Now, tell me this lam, what does it do?
When there is inna in a sentence, so in order to add tawqeed or this lam is also acts as a lam at tawqeed.
Okay.
In order to intensify the meaning of a sentence, this lam is added
Okay,
when
very
there is
good.
inna in a jumla ismiya.
Any grammatical effects of lam taqeed?
No, it does not have any grammatical effect. The ism will remain as it is. If it is marfu, it will remain marfu. That is why it is lam at-taqeed. It is not lam. It is different from lam at-tarif and lam harf jar.
Okay, very good. So this is the lam number 3 we studied already. Okay. Now, inna wa akhawatuha. Inna and its sisters. Akhawat, it's plural from ukhtun. So akhawatuha. So it means ha is going back to inna. It means inna is a feminine noun. So inna. So inna has its sisters. So sister number 1, it is lakinna. So we will study by light lakinna with alif.
Lakin.
Okay, but it is written with fatha, lakinna. So the meaning of lakinna
Fatha.
is but, and another one is la'alla, as if, or it can be used as maybe. Okay,
Maybe.
maybe, as if or maybe, la'alla. And the third one is laita, if only. Okay, and the fourth one is ka'anna, like, which is to compare something, ka'anna. And anna is indeed, inna and anna both are same. The difference is when jumlatul ismiya used with the harfut taqeed in between some sentence, then we will use anna. Okay, but when the sentence is started from the beginning, in that case we will use only inna. So slightly more explanation, that la'alla, if, as if. So it has an implication of hopeful expectation or fear. Laita, if only. It is used to express a wish or desire for something unexpected or impossible. So ka'anna is like. It is used for comparison. Okay. So these are the 5 sisters of Inna. So including these 5, Inna, the number becomes 6. They are total in 6. Why they are called sisters of Inna? Because the impact is same. What impact? Which we studied already, that it is used on nominal sentence and it makes mubtada mansoob. So it is the effect of inna wa akhawatuha is same. That's why they are in one family, in one group, but the meanings of every one is different. Okay. Now, first one we'll see. Please read the sentence.
خالد طبيب ولكن حامدا مهندس.
Okay. So on translate.
Khalid is a doctor, but Hamid is an engineer.
Okay, good. So tell me ismu
Khalidun
lakinna
tabibun
and khabaru lakinna.
is lakinna is the harfu tawkid, and Muhammadan is the ismu lakinna, and muhandisun is the khabru lakinna.
Very good.
Hamidan is mubtada and muhandisun is khabr.
No. We'll say ismu lakinna and khabaru lakinna. Khalas, mubtada khabar finished.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood? Sister?
Okay, sir. So we don't say mubtada
No.
here.
No. When these six are used, then mubtada
Okay.
khabar khali wali. Okay.
Okay.
Ismu lakinna and
Okay.
khabaru
Only
lakinna.
ismu inna and khabru inna.
Yes,
Sorry,
mubtada.
khabru
Yes,
lakinna.
mubtada is finished.
Khabru lakinna. Yes.
Never use next time. Okay. This big mistake.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Now tell me what is
Okay.
this? Next sentence.
Inna
No. I changed.
Khalidan tabibun.
I changed.
Anna. Okay.
Okay.
Anna Khalidan tabibun.
Hmm.
Anna is the harf tawkid and Khalidan is the ismu Anna. Tabibun is the khabru Anna. Indeed, Khalid is a doctor.
Very good. Okay. Next.
Ka'anna Khalidan asadun. Ka'anna is the harf tawkid. Khalidan is the ismu Ka'anna. Asadun khabru Ka'anna.
Okay. Asadun is lion.
Khalid is like a lion. Yes.
Very good.
Khalid is like a lion.
Khalid is like a lion. Indeed, Khalid is like a lion. Okay. So, tell me here.
لعل خالدا طبيب. لعل is the حرف توكيد. خالدا اسم لعل. طبيب خبر لعل.
Okay. Now,
maybe Khalid is a doctor.
No. See, maybe it is used for what? And what is the difference between as if?
Some possibility.
Yeah, some possibility. Okay. But as if, what does it mean?
As if it can be.
It looks like.
Like he's acting like.
Yeah, as
it
if.
looks like, yes.
For example,
like.
you are some of your friends sitting with you, and you are having headache, and she is giving you advices. Please take this medicine. Take this medicine. So what you will say? لَعَلَّهَا طَبِيبَةٌ. It looks like as if she is a doctor.
Yes,
As if she is a doctor. It looks like she is a doctor. Because she is, you don't know she is a doctor, but she is giving you advices like a doctor. So you are saying as if she is a doctor,
Okay.
but this maybe is something different. It's you are hoping something. So maybe is used for some hope.
Hope, okay.
Okay, now the next sentence, لَعَلَّ خَالِدًا بِخَيْرٍ. Okay, this is بِخَيْرٍ, not بَخَيْرٍ. Okay. So now here what happens? Here we are using maybe because we are hoping. For example, Khalidun ghaibun min al-fasli. Khalid is absent from class. So what we say, la'alla Khalidan bi khairin. Maybe Khalid is good, or it is pretending hope. We are hopeful that he is
We
good.
hope. Yes.
So we hope we
Okay.
cannot use here because there's no noun referring to we. Okay. So maybe Khalid is good.
Huh.
Now later, if
Okay.
only. Later Khalidan tabibun. What does it mean?
Later is the حرف توكيد. خالدا اسم later. طبيب خبر later. If only Khalid was a doctor.
Yes, if only Khalid was a doctor. Now, if because why we now was or were, it is used for past, right?
Yes.
Okay, and this laita is mean this
Yes.
instrument, it is referring for something which is for the past. Okay, because Khalid became engineer,
Yes.
and you are saying laita Khalid and tabibun. If only Khalid was a doctor. It is our wish, but we cannot this wish cannot be completed now. So it means laita is used where something is impossible or something which is lost, now it cannot be done. So that's why in Quran, wherever this laita is used, it means these ayat are very strong. I would request all of you to read the ayat of laita. Ya laitani, Ya laitani, oh, if only I was that, or I was that, or I was that. Those will be wishes only at the day of judgment. So laita is used where anything impossible, we cannot do it, but we are just wishing if I could have done it. Okay. So laita Khalidan tabibun. Now I will teach you now another thing which is very important. So we studied how much ma, sister? Ma, types of ma, how much?
Ma. First one is only one yet Ustaz, as which is used as harf istifham.
Okay. Another ma we used relative pronoun.
Another one, yes, another was in relative pronoun man and ma. Man is for a human, aqil, and ma is for ghair aqil.
Ghair aqil. Very
Relative
good.
pronoun.
Now we will study one more ma. Okay. This ma
Okay.
is only used with what? With these 6 nouns. Okay. Only with these 6 nouns. For example,
Okay.
innama, annama, lakinnama, okay, laytama, ka'annama, la'allama. Okay.
Okay.
So this ma is only used with these 6 inna wa akhawatuha. So this ma is called ma kafa. Which ma?
Kafa.
My
Ma
kafa.
kafa.
Kafa. Kafatun mean something is enough for something. Okay. So ma kafa.
Complete.
This is a type of ma which is actually giving us something special. Now I will use it, but what will happen? This ma kafa. Now here it is used. Lakin nama. Please observe what happened. You can observe what happened.
Yes, it became marfu again.
Yes, it
Hamidun became marfu.
got reverse. So in the first sentence, it was mansubun. Okay. Now it became marfu. So this ma blocks the impacts of these haruf al-taqid. Okay. This ma blocks the effect of this inna wa akhawatuha. Okay, now second thing it does, this is very important. In the first sentence, you said Khalid is a doctor, but Hamid is an engineer. Okay. Now, this ma kafa, what it affects on the meaning. Hamid is a doctor, but Khalid is a doctor, but Hamid is only an engineer.
Okay.
What happened?
Only. Became
Yes.
only.
So in the first sentence, walakinna Hamidan muhandisun, but Hamid is an engineer. So it is possibility he can be, maybe he is a teacher also, but we don't know. So what we are doing in this sentence, we are closing the meaning of this engineer with Hamid, that Hamid is an engineer, nothing else. It means in his life, he is an only engineer, nothing else.
We are undervaluing him. It seems
So it
like
means
that.
that we are focusing on the meaning of engineer and we are referring that engineership with Hamid, and we are closing the meaning here. That anything which can come in mind else than engineer, it is already removed. That you have to be sure that Hamid is only an engineer. Finish. Don't think anything else. So that's why my kafa is used. It blocks the impact of the harfut tawqid to make the mubtada mansoob. It blocks it. Number one, it is grammatical effect. The second is the effect on meaning. It impacts on the meaning and it creates some more stress in which we does the meaning only. Okay. For example, Annama Khalidun Tabibun. Khalid is only, indeed, Khalid is only a doctor. Indeed, Khalid is only a doctor, nothing else. Okay. Ka'annama Khalidun Asadun. Indeed, Khalid is a lion. It means now we are emphasizing or putting stress more. It is now, we have actually finished the limit of stress. That khalas, Khalid is only a line. Mean it's all behaviors, its actions, everything is like a line. So nothing else. So la'allama Khalidun tabibun, as if only Khalid is a doctor. Okay. So laytama Khalidun tabibun. So all if only Khalid was a doctor. So sisters, this is very important, this use of my kafa. So the most grammatical effect is what? Sister, what is the most big grammatical effect of my kafa?
There are two effects that it changes the ism of the harf tawqid back to its original marfu state, and it adds the word only to it, like
Yeah, only
it
to it,
removes confusion
and it creates
from other things.
it creates special kind of emphasis. So in which we are closing the meaning with the noun only. So here Hamid will be called mubtada and muhandisun will be called khabar. Okay. Now we will not call ismu inna wa khabaru inna. Okay.
Okay.
After my kafa, khalas, finish. We'll say
Okay.
lakinna harfu tawqid, my kafa hamidun mubtada muhandisun khabar. Okay. Now it will go back again.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Inshallah, by the practice, it will happen. So now these are the ayat from Quran. So tell me, ka'annaka hafiyun anha. This is a nominal sentence. Tell me, ismu ka'anna, khabaru ka'anna, and muta'alliq khabar.
Ka'annaka. Ka'annaka is murakkab idafi
Oh, how murakkab is of
because of
sister?
the attached.
Sister, does these six
Ka'annaka.
sister, you just studied ka'anna. What happened to you?
Ka'annaka, Ustaz, there is a ka.
So kaf, okay, when we used inna with zamir, what will happen? What will happen?
It will become mansoob.
So please
It will
change
become
mansoob.
innaka. Innaka.
Innaka. So what is happening here?
Yes, innaka. It will become ka'annaka here.
Astaghfirullah. Okay, here it was anta hafiyun.
Ka.
I don't know where you
Yes.
people are flying. Anta mubtada, hafiyun khabar, anha muta'alliq. Now we use ka anna. So it will impact this anta. It became ka anna ka
Yes.
hafiyun. Now this kaf is actually
Yes.
ismu ka anna
Yes. Yes. Yes,
and
Ustaz. There
hafiyun
is.
khabar, anha muta'alliq.
Yes. Yes, Ustaz. Yes.
As if
Yes, Ustaz.
you are aware from that. Okay, hafiyun is the person who has some deep knowledge, some secret knowledge. Okay, the person who has some secret knowledge. Actually, the kuffar was
Okay.
asking about the day of judgment. So they were saying, Ka'annaka hafiyun anha. It looks like as if you know what? You know the time of judgment. So that's why Allah said, Ka'annaka hafiyun anha. They are asking you as if you know about it. Okay. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Kul innama ilmuha indallahi. Now, if you observe this ilmuha, it is mubtada, indallahi shibhu jumla khabar, inna harf at-ta'kid, ma kafa. So if I say inna ilmaha indallahi, that indeed the knowledge of judgment, the day of judgment is with Allah. Okay, indeed. Now with inna and my kafa, now what I will say, indeed the ilm, the knowledge of the Yawmul Qiyamah is only with Allah. So what I'm saying is only with Allah. It means no one knows it. So it is to confirm that no one knows it, only Allah knows that when the day of judgment will be. So innama ilmuha indallahi. So what my kafa done? It blocked the effect of inna on ilmu. So it is murakkabun izafiyun. Okay. If I remove ma, then it will be inna ilmaha indallahi. Okay. You got it? Okay, Miss Umme Amna, next student.
Yes, sir. Dr. Samita Khan, please check your mic.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, Dr. Smitha. So we learned something new today. So in ayah, wa alqi asaka falamma ra'aha tahtazzu ka'annaha jannun. Okay. So tell me that what is the ismu ka'anna here?
Ha is ismu Kaanna and Janun is Khabrun Kaanna.
Very good. So Janun it means snake. So how you will translate that sentence? Ka'annaha Janun.
Ha means it is for the feminine, sir. So it is like a snake.
It is like a snake. Okay. This
It is
ha
like a
is
snake.
reverting back to this asar. Asan, it called stick.
Son.
Okay. Asan, it is stick and it is feminine noun. Okay. That's why this ha is going to
Okay.
that. Okay. Ka'annaha Janun. When Musa alayhi salatu wasalam thrown his stick, so it started moving. He felt it moving.
Yes.
So ka'annaha Janun, as and it looks like it was like what? Snake. So hayyatun is also
It was like
called
a snake.
hayyatun. Hayyatun is also called what? Snake. Hayyatun. Okay.
Snake.
Another
Snake.
name is for
Hayyatun.
af'a. Okay. This is both snake.
Afa.
But the difference in language, what they say, that hayyatun and afa. Afa is big. Su'banun also called snake. This is called bigger snake, su'banun. Okay. So afa is also called snake.
Okay.
Hayyatun is also called snake.
Hayyatun.
But this Jannun is also called snake, but it's different snake. It's a friendly snake. Which kind of snake? Snake is friendly, Dr. Smitha, and crime? Can be friendly or no?
No, sir. No, neither. No friendly, sir.
Okay, snake cannot be friendly, but actually this Jannun is a special type of snake, which is referred in Arabic language, Jannun. It is slight whitish snake, okay? It comes in the houses and it is the rats and it does not impact the people, okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala,
Okay.
this is the deepest meaning of Arabic language, that why here hayyatun is not used, why here the word jannun came, why here the word not sobanun, but when the Musa alayhi salam thrown his stick in front of the people, the magicians, there it is not jannun, there it is sobanun. So this is the difference of meaning, that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted to show Musa alayhi salam that your stick can be a snake. So at that time, this snake was a friendly snake. And it was from the type of those snakes which are not hurting.
Not harmful to human beings.
Not harmful to human being. Okay? Because we are human beings, we cannot differentiate.
Okay.
But there are few types of snakes which are harmful. They don't harm anyone.
Yes.
They are just eating the rats and small creature, but they don't harm anyone. They have no poison. But as for we are not able to differentiate that thing, because we are having a built-in fear from snakes, right? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Who is the guy who says that I'm not having fear from snake? Really, I have a big fear from snake. So even if I think, I feel trembling, okay? And I don't want to face snake in my life. But there are some peoples like snake also. May Allah protect us from those snakes also. They are more dangerous than these poisonous, okay? So وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا وَلَّا مُسْتَكْبِرًا كَأَن لَّمْ يَسْمَعْهَا كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا. Okay? Now, كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا. So tell me, what is ismu ka'anna?
Sir, Wakaran is Ismo ka Anna, and Fi Azunaini is Khabrun Anna.
Very good, excellent. So udunai, it is 1 ear, 2 ear, or more.
Nani Uzunaini, 2 years, sir.
Okay, fi udunaihi, noon is dropped. Very good. Ka'annahu ru'usu shayateen. So tell me, ismu ka'anna, which one?
Who is Ismo ka Anna, sir?
Okay, good. If I remove ka'anna,
And Ruhu.
if I remove ka'anna, so
sir?
if I remove ka'anna, what is remaining?
Who is remaining, sir?
No, if I remove ka'anna.
It will become a Hua, sir.
Hua, very good, Dr. Spitha, excellent. Okay, the same you can practice. La'allahu fitnatun lakum la'alla sa'ata qaribun. They are just uses. Walakin Allah hadu fadlin ala al-alamin walakinna kathiran. So simply, this is ismu lakinna, zu fadlin khabaru lakinna ala al-alamin muta'alliq. So kathiran ismu lakinna, minhum muta'alliq, fasikuna khabar. Okay. So now we will start our Madinah Arabic book. Please read that page, sister. So then we'll discuss question.
Okay, sir. Bismillah. Man haulai il fatayatu ya Maryamu. Who are these young ladies, O Maryam? Hunna zamilati. They are my classmates. Akhawatun hunna. Are they sisters? Naam. Hunna akhawatun. Yes, they are sisters. Man abu hunna. Who is their father? Abu Hunna Sheikhu Bilalun. Their father is old man Bilal. Ummu Hunna Ustazati. Their mother is my professor. Aina Baituhunna. Where is their house? Baituhunna Karibun Minal Madrasati. Their house is near from the school.
Very good. So Amna, miss,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please ask her questions.
Okay. Can you tell me, please, what is the status of man here in the first sentence?
Ma'am, man is Mubtada, ma'am. Haula'il Fatayatu is a Murakaba Ishari
Sister, doctor,
as a khabar, ma'am.
wait for the questions from
Yes.
teacher.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Amna.
Okay. Which Murakkab is Zamilai?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am asking which Murakkab is Zamilai?
Zamilati. This is Murakaba
Zamilati.
Izafi, ma'am.
Zamilati. Sorry, Zamilati.
Murakaba Izafi with attached pronoun.
Okay. And what is the singular of akhawatun?
Akhawatun. Ukhtun, ma'am.
Okay. And what will be the masculine of akhawatun?
Masculine of ikhawatun.
Good. Okay. What about what is the status of Abu Hunna?
Status of Abu Hunna. Abu is special now, ma'am. They come as Mudaf, and Abu Hunna is Murakaba Izafi, ma'am.
From which special
Asma
noun is?
Asma
Please
Khansa,
explain,
ma'am,
Abu.
and it is Rafa, ma'am, in Rafa condition.
Okay. How many Amsa
There are five Asma Khansa. Abun,
Yes.
Akhun, Hamun, Famun, and Zu.
Excellent. Okay. Abu Hunna Sheikh Qalbal. What about Aina Baitu Hunna? What is Mubtada and
Aina
Khabar?
is Khabar, ma'am. Baitu Hunna Murakaba is Izafi as Aina is Khabar Mukaddam. Baitu Hunna Murakaba Izafi as Mubtada Muakhar.
Good. And what is the plural of Baitu?
Plural of Baitu is Buyutun.
Is it Salim or Mukassar?
It is
Broken or
Jama
sound?
Mukassar, ma'am.
Good. Excellent. And Min al Madrasati, which
Is
Murakkab is that?
Murakaba Jari, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Okay, sir. Next page.
Okay, so sister, if I want to use inna with hunna, what will happen?
Inna Umma Hunna.
Yes, indeed, their mother is my
Mother,
teacher.
my teacher.
Okay.
My teacher,
Okay.
professor.
Baituhunna, if I want to use lakinna, what will happen?
Lakinna Baita Hunna Karibun.
Very good, excellent. Okay, if I use ka'anna here, what will happen?
Aba Kanna Aba Hunna.
Very good. Okay, very good. Doctor, tell me what you are eating or what you are making dua. Subhanallah. This is really excellent. Really excellent.
Alhamdulillah. Nothing,
You are
sir.
doing something special.
Nothing. No, sir. Keep on revising, sir. The
Okay.
singular, plural,
Okay.
and notes.
So,
Viewers' notes. That's
so
it.
tell me, you are mashallah reverted, right?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah.
From how many years?
Since 2007, sir.
So how many years now? Almost
12,
14.
12, 12, 11, 12, 13, I think.
14 years you are reverted. Okay,
Acha.
mashallah. May Allah bless you, sister. Really, the sisters like you are inspiration for us. Really, it is amazing to know that, mashallah, you are reverted, uh, and I observed the people who are reverted, they are much better than the Muslims by birth. This is my observation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all. Really, it is very nice that you are doing a superb job, mashallah. I'm surprised. In the beginning, you were very weak, but subhanallah, now what happened to you, I don't know. Okay, so حول المبتدا في الجمل الآتية إلى جمع كما هو موضح في المثال. Okay, so in this is actually your exercise you have to do by yourself. On the right side, it is
Okay, sir.
singular, هذه طالبة. You just have to convert it to masculine, sorry, not plural. هؤلاء طالبات. Just you have to do it. And here few points
Okay,
that kibarun, sigarun, tiwalun, it is on the weight of fi'alun. Okay, which is weight? Fi'alun.
yes, sir.
Okay, this fi'alun, it is the plural from
Fi'alun.
fi'alun, it is used common for masculine and feminine. Okay, jududun, fu'ulun. So any weight is fu'ulun, plural, it is used common, okay, for masculine and feminine. For example, there will be
Okay.
hada jadidun, so haulai jududun. Hadihi jadidatun, haulai jududun. So it is used commonly. So next page, Miss Umme Amna, please call
Yes,
next
sir.
student.
Yes, sir.
Jazakallah khair.
Waya.
Munna Afri, please check your mic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, sister, read that full page and translate.
जी sir. هؤلاء إخوتي وهؤلاء أخواتي. These are my إخوتي is أخواتي. These are my brothers and these are my sisters. أخواتي. من هؤلاء الفتيات? Who are these young girls? هؤلاء بنات المدرسة. These are girls of the school,
No,
students of
no,
the school.
no,
هؤلاء
sister Mona,
daughters
no.
of the school. بنات.
No,
Sorry.
mudarrisati.
See.
Sister mudarrisa.
So that's
Anti
an daughters of
mudarrisatun.
the teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
هؤلاء الفتيات زميلاتي. These are the young girls of my colleague. أبوهن طبيب وأمهن مدرسة. Their father is a doctor and their mother is a teacher. أين الطالبات الجدد? أين الطالبات الجدد? Where are the new students? Then
Okay, leave this sentence.
ذهبنا
See,
إلى
no, leave this
المكتبة.
sentence. Leave this. Okay, continue.
Okay. أين بناتك يا عمتي? Where are your daughters? Oh, my auntie, right? عمتي.
Yeah.
My auntie. هن في المطبخ. They are in the kitchen. هؤلاء الممرضات مسلمات. Are they Muslim nurses?
God,
نعم.
wrong,
Yes.
sister.
ممرضات is
No,
الممرض.
are these nurses are Muslims like this? Don't break the murakkabun ishari.
Okay, are these nurses Muslims? Naam, yes.
Okay, Miss Nadia. Miss Nadia. You are co-host, I made already.
Please.
Okay, please ask
Sir.
Miss Muna questions from this page.
Okay, Mona, tell me the first sentence. What is how, lie, mubtada, khabar, and everything.
Okay. Haulai is mubtada and ikhwati is actually murakkab idwafi and it becomes khabar over here.
Okay, so if I put inna in the beginning of the sentence, then what will be the status? What is the changes will be? What are the changes?
If we make it inna haulai ikhwati. Haulai is actually mabni, so it will not change over here into it will be mansub. It will be considered to be mansub.
Excellent.
Inna haulai.
Very good. So haulai is a mabni noun, so it will not change its position or its i'rab when it comes to inna in the beginning of the sentence. Very good. Okay. Come in the fourth one sentence. Fourth one. Aina talibatu.
Aina twalibatul jududu. Over here, Aina will be khabar and atwalibatul jududu is murakkab tawsifi and it will be over here mubtada.
Okay, what is the weight of jududu?
Jududu is fu'ulun. It comes with the weight of fu'ulun.
And what is the meaning of jududu?
Means
Jududun.
new. Means new.
Very good. So, at-talibatu is which jama?
It is Jama
Sound
Salim.
plural or plural? So why this jududu is not following talibatu? Do you know that?
No, I do not I can't remember.
Because here is talibatu, at-talibatu, and here is al-jududu. So sir, will you explain it?
Yeah, because jududu, fu'ulun, it is common for masculine and feminine.
Yeah, it is common for the masculine and feminine. It can come with the both, masculine and feminine. Okay, if I put inna in the beginning of the sentence.
No, Miss Nadia, in the
Oh, yes,
sentence
sorry,
wherever
sir.
the interrogative
Yes,
question
sir.
does not
Yes,
accept
sir.
inna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come in this sixth sentence.
No, Miss Nadia, ask sentence number 3. Discuss sentence number 3.
It is again Ji, sir. Number 3, haulai.
Haulai fatayatu zamilati. Over here, haulai is mubtada and al fatayatu zamilati. Zamilati will be murakkab idwafi over here and then it becomes fatayatu zamilati.
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 Okay.
Al-Fatayatu is khabar and Zamilati will be mutaliqul khabar.
Can I tell
No. What happened, Miss Muna?
No.
Then no, okay, got it.
Then what is
Yes. Haula'il Fatayatu is mubtada. Zamilati
Yes.
will be khabar. Yes, that's what I'm thinking.
Zamilati.
Zamilati.
Yes. So my parrot is making noise. Okay.
Use inna here.
Inna Inna haula'il fatayata
Very good.
zamilati.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Zamilati. Muna zamilati.
Zamilati.
Oh, please stretch the alif. Zamilati.
Ji, sir.
Yes, not only Gigi. It is very important. You are teacher now. Okay. Haula al fatayata zamilati. Inna haula al fatayata zamilati. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, Miss Ummi Amna, next student.
Jazakallah khair.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, sir. Dr. Asma Irfan, you want to participate? Dr. Asma?
Walaikum
Assalamualaikum
salam.
warahmatullahi.
Yes, please read the page, full page, and translate.
Haulai tabibatun. These are doctors. Azwajuhunna mudarrisuna. Their husbands are teachers. Man hazihil maratu. Who are these women? Who is this woman? Hiya zawjatu tabibul jadidi. She is wife of the new doctor. Ibnatuka fil madrasati
Sister,
thanawati ya usamatu.
sister.
Abanatuka fil madrasati thanawati ya usamatu. Is your daughter in the secondary school ya Usama?
Sister, banatu. It's a plural of bintun.
Your daughters. Yeah. Is your are your daughters in secondary school ya Usama?
Yes.
بعضهن في المدرسة الثانوية وبعضهن في المدرسة المتوسطة. Some of them are in secondary school and some of them are in the middle school.
Okay.
Alaka banatu.
Lucky, sister, lucky.
Alaka banatu ya Laila.
Sister, lucky.
Actually, sir, my glasses are weak,
Okay.
so I will. Alaki banatun ya Laila. Do you have daughters ya Laila? Naam li banatun kubbarun. Yes, I have a big daughters. Wahunna talibatun bil jamiati. And these are college students.
They are, not these are. These is the
And
most
they are.
They are. Okay, Miss
Sorry,
Rafia.
they are.
Miss Rafia.
Yes, Asma.
Miss,
Yes, sir. Assalamu
yeah,
alaikum
walaikum
warahmatullah.
salam. Miss Rafia, please ask questions.
From 7, Sarji. Sentence number 7, Sarji.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what is
Question number 7.
Sentence number-
Is her istihfam, and this is for the interrogative sentence to use.
Okay, and what is banatuka?
It is murakkab zafi.
Okay, fine. And what is ka? What?
Ka means this is for the it is used in place of anta, and it is for the relative pronoun. No, not relative pronoun. For
No,
the pronoun in the form of this.
it's not a pronoun.
It is the pronoun used in the place of
For
yours.
male or female? Is it for male or female?
It is for male.
Okay, fine. Fil madrasati. What?
It
Which
is
murakkab is
murakkab
this?
jari.
Okay, fine. Tell me, what is the ba'zuhunna?
Also, some of them.
Okay. And baz stand, is it baz is as, okay, fine. Is it mazaf or not? Bazun.
Bazu is muzaf here.
Okay, good.
Okay,
Okay,
fine. And
sister, if we use inna with baduhunna, what will happen?
Inna ba'zahunna.
Very good. Inna ba'dahunna, indeed some of them. Okay. So azwajuhunna mudarrisuna. If we use lakinna, what will happen?
Azwajahunna. Where is, yeah. Lakanna azwajahunna.
Lakinna, sister, lakanna nahi. Lakinna.
Madarasuna.
Lakinna. Read it rightly.
Lakinna
Lakinna.
azwajahunna madaras. Lakinna azwajahunna madarasuna.
Mudarrisuna.
Madarasuna.
Sister, what you call this, what you put in your ear and you check the patient, what it is called?
Stethoscope.
What?
Stethoscope.
Slowly, I cannot get it.
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Okay. If I
Yes.
call it a stethoscope, will you accept it?
No.
What you will say to me?
No. That is wrong, of course.
If your student is called stethoscope, what you will say to that student? Surely you will be angry. That student has,
Surely,
at
maybe
least
I
she
will
has
not
to read it
understand, yes.
rightly. She has to read it rightly. Other
Yes.
mistakes, no problem. But reading rightly,
Sorry.
it's a duty. So I give an example from your own profession. Okay, so we have to be very careful. If you cannot accept,
Yeah.
okay, I made a page on which there was an announcement, and I made a small mistake, okay, of English language. And one of the students, she messaged me that there is a mistake in the page, and really it was not good to me. That okay, I'm not an English teacher, I'm not a master of English grammar, I'm using it as a media only, or to transfer the knowledge of Arabic. I'm using it as a media only. So if the people of English cannot accept my small mistake, how as a teacher of Arabic I can accept your
Yes.
mistakes?
Yes.
It is not easy for me to accept
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Especially reading by looking. It is, we are mashallah Muslim, we read Quran. So reading Arabic is not something very difficult. And this Arabic is more easier than Quran. Okay, so no problem. Please be careful. Okay.
Yes.
Last two sentences on next page, please read.
Dr. Asma, you
Yes.
can zoom
Yes.
the
This
screen.
11 number.
Yeah, 11 and 12. Okay, I am zooming
Man
for you.
haula nisa'u nasa'u tawalu. Where is this? It has gone. Man haula nisa'u tawalu. Hunna tabibatun min America. Who are these tall women?
Yes,
These
good.
are doctors from America.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, leave the last sentence. Okay, thank you. Okay, Miss Amna, next student.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Jazakallah
Who
khair.
want to
Thank
come
you.
next? Shazia Alam, please take your mic.
Walaikum salam. Okay, you have choices. Hada, hazihi, haulai. So use them accordingly. Okay, please continue.
Akhi, the first will be Haza.
Okay.
Akhi, Haza, Akhi. And the second will be Ukti. Hazihi, Uktihi, Ukti.
Okay.
Number third will be Haza Rijalun.
Okay. Haza rijalun. Amna,
And
please
number four
observe.
will be
Amna, you
Haulai.
are observer. You have to pick it.
Yes, please check. This is Jabba Mukassar of Akil. So what will be the ishara?
Okay. Then it will be Mukassar Rijalun. So it will be Hazihi Rijalun.
Yeah.
Sorry. And number four will be Haulai Mudarrisun.
Mudarrisuna, please.
Mudarrisuna, yeah.
Yes.
Mudarrisuna. Number 5 will be hazihi talibatun.
No.
No, it will be haulai
Yes.
talibatun.
Yes.
Sorry,
It's
haulai talibatun.
good.
And number 6 will be hazihi ummi,
Good.
my mother. Number 7 will be haza abi,
Good.
and number 8 will be hazihi talibatun,
Good.
and 9 will be talibatun. It will be haulai tabibatun, and
Yes.
number 10 will be tujarun. That is also jama mukassar, so it will be hazihi tujarun.
Oh,
Excellent.
no, Umme Amna, hazihi tujarun.
Oh God, sorry. Yes, it's a broken plural of akil. So what should be the
Akil,
ishara?
okay. Then it will be haza. No, it will be haul.
Yes, haulai tujarun. Yes, haulai tujarun.
Good.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Okay, Miss Umme Amna, next student.
Okay, sir, let me check. Iklima. Please check your mic. Iklima.
Okay, next
Okay.
one, no problem.
Next, Sajida Kadri. Sajida Kadri.
Okay, Miss Rajna
Nazia
Jamal.
Rahman.
Miss Rajna Jamal, please join.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam. Okay, Miss Umme Amna, ask, let her explain what to do in this exercise.
Okay. As you see, fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns.
Okay,
You
inshallah.
have to. Okay, got the question?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you have to replace the nouns with pronouns. Okay.
Okay. Man
Start.
haza rajulu haza mudarrisun. Aina
No,
talibatu.
sister. Man hazar rajulu.
No. Haza rajulu ko.
Yes, Umme Amna, explain.
Man haza rajulu.
You have forget about the man. Replace the noun with haza rajulu.
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute, sister. What you have to do, actually,
Okay.
listen.
Huwa mudarrisun.
Now listen, I will explain slightly, so it will be good in next sentences. So we have sentence, man hadar rajulu. Man is mubtada, hadar rajulu is khabar, okay? So he's asking, who is that man? So we have to answer, he is a teacher, okay? So we remember always
Yes.
that when we have to replace the nouns, always in Arabic, they will be pronouns. We will remove them with, replace them with pronouns. Now, hadar rajulu, it is
Yes.
singular and it is masculine. Okay, now we have to choose which is the suitable. It is huwa. So what will be the answer? Huwa mudarrisun. He is the teacher.
Huwa
Now,
mudarrisun.
follow the same pattern. Okay, Ms. Umme Amna, please look in. Okay, continue.
Okay.
Aina talibatu. Hum fil fasli. Wait, talibat.
Why home? At-talibat.
Hunna
Is it feminine or masculine?
feminine. Hunna fil fasli.
Yeah, very
Okay.
good. Hunna fil fasli. Good.
Good. Next.
Man
Next.
haula il fatiyatu. Hum abna'ul mudarrisi.
Good.
Aina talibatul
Next.
jadidatu.
Good.
Hiya fil maktabati.
Good.
Man haula in nasu. hum hujjajum minal Hindi.
Good, excellent. Let me ask if I put inna before hum hujjajun min al Hindi, what will be the change?
In it will be
Yeah, go ahead.
innahum
Hum hujjajun.
innahum hujjajun.
Okay, tell me, huma is sorry, hum is the rafa pronoun or nasab or jar?
Nasab.
Hum, are you sure? Hum,
Hum
huwa, huma, hum.
yes, hum is used for marfu and nasab jar also.
No. Or not? Okay, go ahead. Yes, you are right.
Okay. Innahum
So,
hujjajun.
min al
Like when it is
Hindi.
attached,
Good, excellent.
also it is hum only, no?
Innahum, yes.
Innahum hujjajun min al
Okay.
Hindi. Okay, thank you very much. Okay,
Sir, is
Miss
there any?
Amna, next student.
Yes, sir.
Anyone want to come?
Nuzhat Riaz.
Why no one raising hand? Please raise your hand. Welcome. Okay, Nuzhat.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Okay, read these 4 sentences. Okay, and do the same what it is done in the previous slide.
Okay. Man hadal waladul ladhi kharaja min baytika. Who is this boy who went from his house, from your house? Huwa ibnu akhi.
Very good.
He is the
Wabnu akhi.
son. He is son of my brother.
Good.
Yes,
Min
good. Next.
min aina haula id duyufu. What is the meaning of duyufu?
Guests. Daifun. It is the
Guests.
plural of daifun. Guests.
Guest. From where these are from where are these guests?
Yes.
Guest. Hum minal Riyadh. They are from Riyadh.
Good.
Min aina haula il mumarridatu. From where are these mumarridatu? Nurses. From where are these nurses? Hunna minal Philippini. They are from Philippines.
Very
Min
good.
hazihil fatayatu. Man hazihil fatatu.
Yeah.
Who is this
Young lady.
fatatu? This is girl, young
Yeah.
lady. Who is this young lady? Hiya bintul mudarrisati. She is the daughter of teacher.
Good. Okay, very good. Okay, now the last, please just tell me the plurals of these. Ukhtun.
Uktun. Uktun. Akhawatun.
Good. Bintun.
Banatun.
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun.
Tabibatun.
Tabibatun.
Tabibun. Atibba'u.
Tabibatun.
Atibba'u.
Atibba. So we
Zawjun.
can't say tabibatun.
No, this is tabibun. It's muzakkar.
No, not this about this one. Tabibatun.
Yeah, this is tabibatun.
Tabibatun.
Right? Tabibatun.
Tabibatun.
Yes.
Tabibun. This is tabibun.
Atibba'u.
Atibba'u.
Attiba'u.
Zawjun. Azwajun.
Good.
Good.
Zawjatun. Zawjatun. Fatatun. Fatatun. Fatayat. Fatatun.
Fatayatun. Fatayatun.
Fatatun.
Fatayatun.
Fatayatun.
Good.
Fatayatun.
Kabiratun.
Kabiratun.
Okay, Kabiratun and Tawilatun.
Kabiratun.
No. Kibarun and Tiwalun. It was used in previous page. Okay, where I told you that you have to practice by your own. So Kabiratun Kibarun,
Okay.
Tawilatun Tiwalun, Jadidatun Jududun,
Tiwalun.
Akhun,
Jududun.
Ikhwatun.
Akhun. Ikhwatun.
Yeah, very good. Thank you very much. Jazakumullahu khaira. Inshallah, we'll meet in next lecture. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.